Tether Gold is expected to climb 7% tomorrow, according to 30 rates. But before we move on, here's what's going on right now. Tether Gold has advanced by 2.7% today and is currently hovering around $4,467.10. Now on to the expert forecast set. By August 21, 30 rate says we might see $4,780, which reflects a gain of about 7%. CoinDataFlow sees Tether Gold heading upward to $4,532.09, an estimated gain of 1.5%. Traders Union highlights a scenario where it could move down to $4,436.55, a decrease estimated at 0.7%. Another analysis from Gov Capital highlights Tether Gold could move downward toward $4,340.05, roughly 2.8% lower. And finally, Crypto Predictions expects $3,952.90 by tomorrow, an 11.5% decrease. This one stands out for return. We've finished 5 projections. Let's keep moving. We've reviewed the outlooks. Now let's look at performance data. The shared data from these forecasts suggests the market could move from a decline of 11.5% to a gain of 7%, depending on the analyst. All in all, Crypto Predictions delivers the highest projected return with 11.5% gain in value by tomorrow. It's clear you could earn between $7 and $115 for every $1,000 you invest. In the probability rankings, Traders Union's forecast stands in first place with a 61.8% chance of success. Based on all 5 forecasts, I've pulled together a single consensus scenario. Based on the consensus outlook, Tether Gold might decrease by approximately 1.3%. Here's what the details look like. Consensus estimates reveal a 1.3% decline in price. And at that exact percentage, your capital could also see growth. On every 1,000, this scenario could mean $13 of upside. The probability of the consensus scenario taking place is set at approximately 54.5%. Up next, let's see how analysts view the short-term 3-day forecast. A gain is anticipated by 30 rates, who remains bullish. Similarly, CoinDataFlow expects an upward trajectory in the short term. Traders Union expects only slight fluctuations. According to Gov Capital, Tether Gold is set to slip. Additionally, Crypto Predictions points to a bearish path. The consensus picture highlights a bearish short-term trend for Tether Gold. Altogether, 60% of forecasts point toward Tether Gold trending lower in the short term. 2 days ago, 5 predictions were released. Yesterday showed how they held up. As a result, the day's closing figure was $4,486.40. 4 of 5 forecasts lined up with the real market direction. If we look at pure accuracy, 30 rates was the closest. Let's zoom in on the individual results. 4 predictions match the span of the daily candle. As far as ROI is concerned, the entire group finished in profit, with the highest figure hitting 2.4%. Here's the full overview. All forecasts verified and compared. Gov Capital displays 67.5% forecast probability, accuracy, and 0% ROI. Can you spot the forecast that held up best? Now let's take a look at tomorrow's expected returns across